I had a spare man on the tree team today, so I found him a job.
You'll have to catch the overlaps. You'll get it. You'll get it. He's never driven a roller before, and I was more concerned about him driving it off the end of the lawn than getting neat lines for the time being. So I'm sure you understand. As for me, well, I've still got a job that I started yesterday to finish. So for me, it's back on with this. I'll use the new bucket for it now. The old bucket's getting a bit tired on the edge, so yeah. It was going okay. You know, we're kind of getting there. This yard is being filled in. The yard is now much bigger, more spacious. Obviously we have to pat this down a little bit, roll it, and we're going to be making up this ground for probably a couple of years while it settles. Kind of got into the end of filling it up with our hardcorey crappy stuff. I just went over to the planings heap to get a bucket full of that to go over the top before I roll it, because that will stick to the roller less than the rubbish, and bang. It made me jump. This ram suddenly shot out, oil flying everywhere. So one of these pipes is also knackered as well. What had happened is the pin somehow had come out of the ram. I just dug it out from inside there, out of the ram, and was just sitting inside there. Whatever was holding the pin in, well, it isn't anymore. So that bit there, I could probably fix myself. I could, but the hose is gone. So there's no point. So I called Neil, our fitter, offered him a nice job in the dry, which he was quite happy with because it isn't very nice out there. He's going to come and do the repair for me. Like I say, yes, I could do the mechanical bit myself, but I can't make up hydraulic hoses. He might just as well do the whole thing. So we're going to have a cup of tea, wait for Neil to come, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll have this thing back together fairly soon. Hopefully. It never rains. It pours. Right, well, hopefully Neil will be here soon, and the more I look at it, the more confident I am that he can probably fix this. Probably be an hour or something like that. So, which is quite a big relief for me, because they're going to need a bale this afternoon. They're going to need a bale this afternoon. And although I can get the tractor over there, the 695, I can feed them with it. I can't get it in there. But I can get it in here, I know, but it's just, yeah. And beds need mucking out and stuff. And I do everything with that. Always highlights how much you rely on one piece of equipment, and if there is one piece of equipment on this farm I cannot do without, it's that. So, but then who knew that that pin was going to somehow come detached from whatever it does and drop that ram. So basically what it is this is the pin here that holds that top of that ram in up there. Right now it's kind of stuck in there a little bit, but I'm sure with a little bit of jiggery pokery we can get that lined back up and put back in right. So the pin bit I think is okay, and I'm sure Neil's got all the bits. I don't actually know which one of these pipes has gone. I think it's that one, but it could be that one. We'll find out when he gets here. I suppose the one good bit of news I can give you today is my spouting. Look at that. Apart from that little drip which is coming out of the collar that goes into the actual metal spouting, I'd say 99.9% of all the water coming off that roof, if not more, is now going where it's supposed to. Underground and gone.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, just where it's like, just go for our acid, obviously, all the counts and stuff, or better. Well, I thought it's not going to be too bad.
Trying to line it up now.
Yeah.
That's not very nice here. Still at work. Still in the pub. Still going to not go to work. Otherwise, it's terrible. But never did. Only spilt a little bit.
At least I can put some more over the top of that and just lose it, maybe, sort of.
Yeah.
I think he's just pulled out the fitting, hasn't he? I think he's just pulled out of the fitting. I got him. Right, ready to go for it?
Yep.
both ways. Might have to just push it back up there, I reckon.
Oh, is he leaving as well?
Looks like it, yeah.
He is, isn't he?
Oh, buggeration. Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Alright, hey, do you want me to leave that? Hang on.
Yeah, just drop him round again.
Right. Oh. There we were thinking it was all done.
Yeah.
Bum. That's just doubled the bill too. Alright. Hey?
Sorry.
You could have treated me to dinner first. Right in the eye.
Oh, goodness sake.
Yeah, that's alright.
Sorry.
No, that's alright. I didn't think there was any pressure on there.
No, I didn't think there was much pressure because it come undone all right.
Yeah. Well, not only that, it was pissing out there, wasn't it? So.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it all down my leg. Oh. People are going to talk about me now.
I know. Never mind, at least you've waterproofed yourself for.
Yeah. Sorry.
For
I don't think I got any in me. I just went round. I think I got there quick enough, but maybe jump.
Yeah, I didn't quite get my finger over the end quick enough.
Well, you don't want to do that on hydraulics now, do you?
No, not really.
That has got to be one of the best ways I've ever seen of getting rid of the bloody customer who's looking over your shoulder and not letting you get on with the work. Cover him in hydraulic oil. He didn't do it on purpose. It was quite funny. I did get a face full. Although most of it I think went down there. I'm going to put that in the washing. She'll kill me. So the bit of rain we were forecast today has turned into a lot of rain. To the point I've got a river running down the middle of the field. Guys are back. I'm going to go and see what they're like. I've got a funny feeling. I'm just going to send them home, let them go home early. Who wants to work out in this? Yeah, you should be able to just unscrew that. It's not pumping.
It's still going to run out though, isn't it?
No, because it'll level it all down here, so it shouldn't do. Because the level of that is below this, so it shouldn't do. So you should be able to do that and do that. So, okay. Right. We used to have a mangle on the caravan site. It could have put you through there. Look.
Yeah. Oh, it's literally.
You're all clammy and nasty.
Yeah, look at them.
Hey? Oh, well, you know what my mother used to say?
Man up.
No, drips don't get wet, they just get bigger.
I thought Jean said anything.
Yeah, she used to say a lot of things like that, usually to me, actually.
What about Michael?
Yeah. Right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. We'll see if it stops raining. I might try and do a bit more out here. Shape up and squeeze it down a bit. Skidsteer's fixed. That's the main thing. I can feed the cattle later on. So yeah, it's 2:30. I've sent the guys home. They are literally wringing wet. So, and I'm not going to put them back out to work again this afternoon. And like I said to them, I can find them little jobs to do in the shed. They might as well go home and get dry. This is a horrible junction. Luckily I don't have to come out very often, so I just dropped one of my youngsters off home. His mum and dad, he's not driving yet. His mum and dad are not at home to come and fetch him, and it's the wrong direction. All my other guys live the other way, So I said I'd drop him off because it's kind of on the way to my dad's. So I'm halfway there. I'll go see the old man, see how he's getting on. I'm not going to do much else this afternoon. I think the weather's going to stuck in now. It's supposed to be nice for the rest of the week. Won't bring the roller back today. The Skidsteer break-in day, and this weather is just going to delay me. So I'll keep it another day, maybe 2, and then take it back. And I'll just pay the bit extra rent on it. So yeah. So but at least the Skidsteer is fixed. At least now I can feed and clean out the animals. That's the main thing.